I still may buy 2 or 3 of them just because of the price. Because I do have my Contour Plus 2 to do my true vlogs while I'm riding, if I so desire. And it does have external microphone output. But that's about it on the cleaning. Now I will show y'all what is up with this case right here. This is the other case. As you can see, it is missing the lid right here. It's missing the lid, the latch, and all that. It broke off right there going down the road and flew off. So I've got to contact Jeevee